In this chapter, lines and angles, we have a concept called transversal. Today we are going to see about transversal lines. A line that intersect two or more lines at distinct point is called transversal. The line which is called transversal, it should cut two or more lines at distinct points. The point should be unique. The point of intersection with the transversal and the line should be unique. See, for example, here the line L and M intersect at the point O. If we say that the transversal crosses through this place, this is not transversal because the point of intersection is common for both. Okay, see, for example, here there is a three lines L, N and N. This transversal T crosses the line L at O dash and intersect with M at O double dash and N with O triple dash. It is transversal. The line T is transversal. We can say that because it intersects the lines at distinct points. Is it clear? Angles made by transversal. If the lines cut by a transversal, then that generate 8 angles here. Okay, can you see here? We will going to see it in detail. Okay, 8 angles. You should understand that there is 8 angles have special names formed by the transversal. If a transversal cuts any two line, basically any two line, it can be 3 or more also. For ideal example, we can take as two angle. A transversal cut two lines. Then basically it can form 8 angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's a specific name for each and everything. We're going to see that now. Interior angle. Okay, totally there are 8 angles. Within that, these 4 are interior angles. Within this line, these angles are formed now. Thus it get the name as interior angle. These remaining 4 are called exterior angle. It formed exterior of these two lines. Thus it get the name exterior angle. These 4 angles are called exterior. They mentioned these 4 as exterior angles. Corresponding pair of angles. There are lot of pair of angles are there. This is the corresponding angle. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. For your better understanding, I have given specific colors for specific pair of lines. Here 1 and 5 are corresponding. Angle 1 and angle 5 are pair of corresponding angle. 2 and 6. Okay. Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 4 and angle 8 are pair of corresponding angles. Angle 3 and angle 7. Angle 3 and angle 7. When it comes to the exercise problems, you can better understand this. Okay. Pair of alternate interior angle. This is the pair of alternate interior angle. We're going to use this in lot of problems. Even in 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard also, you're going to use this. This is a very important topic. You have to understand it very clearly. This is alternate interior angle. This is already we have seen that there are 4 interior angles. Within that, this pair is called alternate interior angle. Okay, it just formed like Z. This angle and this angle. Okay, and these two are another pair of alternate interior angle. You should know. While draw a transversal, you can say that this angle and this angle are alternate interior angle. Pair of alternate exterior angle. You already know that exterior angle. These 4 angles are called exterior angle. Within that, this angle 1 and angle 7. These 2 are alternate exterior angle. Like the same concept, these 2 angles, angle 2 and angle 6. Sorry, angle 7. These 2 are alternate exterior angle. We're going to use all these things in our problems. Pair of interior angle on the same side of the transversal. If a transversal cuts two lines, then on the same side there are two interior angles formed. No, we already seen that these four angles are interior angles. Within that, the same side, this is the angles formed by the transversal on the same side. You can easily understand this. As I mentioned earlier, the transversal line cuts any two lines. It need not be parallel, need not be in parallel form. If it is in parallel, then we have three more things, like the pair of interior angles on the same side are supplementary. When we add, what is meant by supplementary? When any two angles are added, it should be equal to 180 degree. Such angles are called supplementary angles. When we add these two angles, its summation should be equal to 180 degree. Okay, when the transversal cut the two lines, it should be in a parallel line. When it is in parallel, we can say that these two angles made by the transversal on the same side, then it is 180 degree. Okay, you can easily add and said these two angles are 180 degree. We're going to use this in lot of problems. And when the transversal cut the parallel lines, then we have another rule called the alternate interior angles are equal. When the transversal cut two parallel lines, then the a pair of alternate interior angles are equal. It holds good only when the lines are parallel. If it is not parallel, means then this thing does not hold good. Another one is when the transversal cut the parallel lines, we can say that a pair of corresponding angles are equal. 1 and 5 are equal, 2 and 6 are equal, 7 and 8 are equal, 3 and 7 are equal. Okay.